I'm in Brighton on the beach. It's sunny and you see people swimming in the sea and sitting on the beach. But then I look closely and I realize all those people are dead and the sun's gone green.
And when did that happen?
What? I'm telling you about my dream.
Oh, right, sure. Sorry.
I've been talking about it for ages.
Yes, but your connection is very bad. You look a bit like vomit.
Oh.
You're not streaming anything? Like Netflix, pick videos, or those annoying clip where celebrities sing in Imagine?
No.
And you're not downloading anything sensitive, huh? Oh, seems to be a bit better. Go on, please.
Okay, so I'm on the beach. Everybody's dead from the poison in the air. But I don't care because I have this big bag of chips. And the seagull comes out of nowhere and tries to eat my chips. But it's got the head of Greta Thunberg.
Head of... what?
In my dream.
Right, sorry.
Yeah, and then the...
Oh, you're gone.
Fuck's sake.
Malik, you have to understand that our healthcare system is really overloaded right now because of COVID-19.
Yeah, of course.
And I mean, there are so many desperate people out there.
Yeah.
People with real problems.
Sorry?
Nothing. Please continue.
Okay, so the seagull comes down, it's got the head of Greta Thunberg and it wants my chips. And Greta starts crying because she's starving, but I still won't give her my chips. And then I turn around and I realize the sea's boiling and Brighton's on fire.
Sure.
And I have the feeling that I could save Greta Gull and stop the fire and revive all the dead people. But I don't. I just eat my chips.
You know what I think? What's happening here? Your dream, I think it's about something else.
Of course.
I don't think it's literally about chips. I think it represents something else.
Yeah. Corona.
No, your erectile dysfunction.
Sorry?
I think it's all wrapped up with your erectile dysfunction.
I haven't got that.
But that's what I've got.
Well, you're wrong.
And why is it written down here with a big ring around it?
I don't know.
You're sure you don't have it?
I am quite sure, yeah.
Okay. I must have mixed up something. So, please continue.
I think this dream is
And you're gone again.
Jesus.
You're not FaceTiming your mom besides, are you?
No.
Okay. It must be us. Because there are so many desperate people out there. People are getting lost. People like really on the brink. I mean, some of them don't even want to carry on living.
Yeah, sure.
Right. So, tell me more about that Greta thing and the pigeon.
Seagull.
Right. What do you think it's about?
Well, Corona.
Obviously.
Yeah, I mean, everyone is dead around me and I'm being selfish by ignoring social distance and just eating my chips on the beach. And I mean, the sea's boiling, that's climate change. And the chips, that's global capitalism, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I'm civilization, just gobbling up my chips and... You're gone.
Oh my God. Sorry?
Your camera is gone.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
What?
no. No. This is happening all the time. But I can still hear you, though.
Okay. Well, I think it's fear about when this is all over. Do we just carry on? Burning the planet, eating the chips, What are you doing?
I'm listening.
You're assembling a sandwich.
What?
Your camera's not broken. You switched it off, didn't you? It's a joke, hmm?
You cannot blame me for the technology being useless.
No, you're useless. It's you. I've been seeing you for weeks, and you know what? I don't feel better. I feel worse. You're not listening.
Malik, I
You
don't
don't
think
listen. You don't get me.
Accusing me of being impotent. What is that?
Now, I feel you're taking a piss. Or you're being an idiot.
I try to keep it light.
How did you even get this job?
I fell into it.
Fell into it. It's not a job at the supermarket.
I'm a volunteer. I do this for free. They were searching for people with people skills.
You haven't got any.
I care. Mr. Lines. I care about everyone I see. And maybe I'm not perfect. But I try. Malik, I care about everyone I see. And maybe I'm not perfect. But I try. I try to be there and in the end of the line for you. Because that's better than nothing. And I might try to keep it a bit light from time to time. But do you know how it feels like to listen to people in tiny rooms, their lives disintegrated? Do you know what it sounds like every 10 minutes, every day?
Okay, look.
Trying to sneak in a sandwich when I can.
I'm just saying.
You're saying I'm crap. And guess what? You're right. I am crap. But I am all you got. Who do you think I got? What do you think I see when I close my eyes? What do you think I dream of?
Listen.
Okay. I have another patient, Mr. Lines.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't think about you in all of this. I mean, I can't really blame you for a crap connection, can I?
Actually, you can blame me for that because I was streaming. Why would I tell him that?
Eat your sandwich. And tell me about your dream.
My dream.
Go on.
Okay, I'm in a bath. And the bath is filled with dogs. And the dogs are singing. And I have the legs of Natalie Portman, but the hands of a chimp. And when I look up, I see that my bath has no roof. And from the sky, the stars are falling down and killing the dogs in the bath. And I have to find a place where I could hide. But there is none because the bath is, every time I try to sneak under the toilet and stuff, the things disappear. And then I leave the house and everything around me disappears, but the stars are still falling down and the dogs are still singing. And my legs are so slow because Natalie Portman has very slow legs. And the floor has a big crack. I fall into that crack and guess where I end up?